Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by collecting the essentials and taking the very first deploy step. Install Python 3, 10+, Node 18+, and Git, then verify versions. This prevents cryptic errors later. Once done, set up Google Cloud and enable YouTube Data API with OAuth credentials so your app can upload and manage videos. Make sure to pick an AI model now. Local LLM for privacy or hosted API for simplicity, and budget for tokens or GPU, because cost decides architecture and latency. You now assemble the middle, backend, AI glue, and ingestion pipeline. Create an API with Express or Flask to accept uploads and webhook callbacks. Design endpoints to start processing immediately. Integrate AI for transcripts, topic extraction, video chaptering, thumbnail drafts, and SEO metadata. Store templates and validate outputs. Once done, add ingestion automation. Chunk long content, generate captions, SRT. Transcode to target resolutions, and queue uploads. Make sure to log each step and add retry logic for transient failures. You finish by deploying and validating the full Studio workflow. Containerize the app with Docker, set up CI/CD for repeatable releases, and add monitoring and alerting so failures surface quickly. Run end-to-end tests that simulate uploads, AI enhancements, thumbnail selection, and final publish. Confirm OAuth scopes and YouTube permissions. If something breaks, start by checking API quotas, OAuth token scopes, and background job retry queues. These are the most common failure points, and resolving them restores a smooth publishing flow.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.